a longer time. So I was looking for something just for myself because, models apartment, it's not easy to live there. So it's okay if you live there for, let's say you're coming for a month or like 6 weeks. Yeah, you can stand everything. But if you're coming for a longer time, you need some privacy, some space just for yourself.
Yeah, there was a movie. I forget the name of the movie, but she was a model, and I think from Russia or something, and she was staying with all these other models. I don't even know that movie. She was a mercenary hitman, and I saw a little bit of it. Like I mean, I worked in the fashion industry for a little bit, more on the manufacturing side, but I did work with models, and I kind of, I don't really know the world, and but in that movie, it showed a lot of the girls like kind of like sharing like an apartment building, and there wasn't a lot of privacy, and it seems very chaotic. Always people coming and going. Is that true?
It's very, very true. The case is if you're staying in model's apartment, um, first of all, there are chances close to zero that you will have your own room. If you're lucky, if you're very lucky, you share the room with just one person. Usually, you share a room with three or even four models. Mm, I remember I stayed in the apartment that in total it was 10 girls. So, um, privacy, of course, forget it. But for example, problem appears with, I know, even going to the bathroom, because we are not um, some kind of workers. We are models. We are working with our body. We have to look good because this is how. If we present ourselves great during the casting, we are getting job, we are getting money. If something is wrong, uh, we're losing our chances. So imagine 10 girls in the apartment. We had two bathrooms, but still 10 girls, one kitchen, pretty tiny kitchen. Um, that if one person was cooking, another could eat there, but if third person wanted to cook something, maybe in microwave, and she had to leave, and only two bathrooms. So yeah, we had to plan, what time is for each of us time to go to take a shower or in the morning. And then another problems, we have some routines, especially the older you get, the more routines you have, and some, just some things that you like.